All right, guys. Well, this is the day after we took delivery. This is the new project boat we got. It's a 2001 Mitzi Skiff, 15 foot, and this will be our project for the next few months or however long it takes. We got it from an auction online. We bought it solely based on pictures. Never inspected it, never went to look at it. And we got it for just over 300 bucks. So that was pretty awesome. It's just the hull only, no motor, no trailer. It's the only problem that they listed was that it was stripped out, which, I mean, there's holes everywhere in the boat. All those will have to be fixed. And a little bit of side damage, which is right there. Got some fiberglass to repair right there, some gel coat to repair. It was registered in Arkansas last, and looks like 2010. I think the other side says 2012. It looks like the previous owner was a big fly fisherman. TFO, the rod brand, fly fishing rod brand, Sage fly rods. They make reels and rods. You have some minor fiberglass to repair right there. It looks like it's already been kind of filled in or something right there, maybe. But there's the bottom. It's just really dirty. And we'll make a pressure washing video of it to show how much it cleans up. But you can see it was on the ground. That's why it was so dirty here. The other side is a lot cleaner, but this is the dirty side. So we'll clean it, pressure wash it, buff it, polish it. Let's see. The rub rail looks really good, actually. Pretty happy with that. Lots of random holes here. I don't know what that was. This was probably for a push pole. That was for a rod holder there, like a Scotty rod holder. That was probably another part of the push pole, along with this right here. This was probably for the gas tank fill. Gas tank was under there. I don't know what that was. That was a pop-up cleat there. This was a little hook for a bow casting platform that went right here. Not sure what that was. We have a hole for some lights there, red and green lights. The trolling motor used to be here, some old silicone and stuff. Looks like they tried to fill the holes already with some kind of foam. All this will have to be fixed up. I'll make a cleaning video, but I got impatient and spent a few minutes scrubbing on it right here with just some Dawn and some toilet bowl cleaner, so you can kind of see the potential there. Here is the inside of the rod. Looks like there's an old wasp nest back in that hole back there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Got a fuel gauge here. This was rod tubes, looks like. Here was the other side of the rod holders here. I don't know what that was. That was probably a light there. Maybe another light here. At the auction yard, it was filled with water. You can see the water line right here to there, all the way out to here. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Maybe something in there. I have no idea. But looks like there was a snap cover right here all the way around. Got more rod holders on the other side. The console's nice and solid. There's a few holes at the bottom that are gonna need to be fixed, like here, there, random screw holes. There's where the steering wheel went. Maybe a cup holder there. 1, 2, 3 gauges, and then some switches down here. There's the inside of the console. Looks like it had a bench seat cushion here. There's the snaps for it. Also got snaps in the back right here and there. Got 2 dry hatches. Got a little bit of water in there. Some mosquito larvae too. I'll leave that open. Here's the other side. It's pretty dry in there. It's like on this side, you got one bad bolt here. It's pretty rusted out. I don't know if they just didn't use stainless on that one or what. That'll have to be fixed. I really like this poling platform though. That's probably my favorite part of the boat. Offshore marine components out of Atlantic Beach, Florida. So nice heavy duty poling platform and like an aftermarket ladder. I like that too. Feels real sturdy. Transom looks nice. Nice and sturdy. I don't know what this was. And I don't know what that was. The bilge back here was just filled with a bunch of mud and sticks and random stuff, fiberglass, and got some lures out of here, some topwater spooks, Excalibur spitting image, a spoon, and then random hardware and stuff, drain plug. The bilge pump here was just caked in mud, so I took it apart, cleaned out all the mud, and hooked it up to a battery, and it worked. So we'll see if we're going to use it or not. But that'll have to be fixed. The through-hole fitting here is loose. That needs to be fixed up. It's 3-person capacity, 450 pounds, 40 horsepower max. So I don't know if we're going to be buying used or new yet on the outboard, but we'll be looking for that. Mexico Beach, Florida. But yeah, really happy with the poling platform. That's nice. I'm gonna leave these open. There we go. So yeah, just over 300 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that for a flats boat. The next video will be a cleaning video. Top view. The bottom is not really a true flat skiff. It's a Mod V bottom, and supposed to handle chop really well, according to some reviews I've read in their website. You kind of see the bottom, the shape of the bottom. I've got some family that owns a beach house in Rockport, Texas. So we go there quite a few times a year. So this will be perfect for the flats and Rockport and Aransas Pass, Port Aransas area. Pretty excited. This boat has been all over the place: Florida, North Carolina, Arkansas. Probably has a lot of stories. Probably caught a lot of fish. Pretty amazed the vinyl stickers, the original vinyl stickers for Mitzi are still on there after 21 years. That's awesome. But yeah, this was phase 1 was getting it here. Phase 2 will be getting a trailer so we can actually move it around. Phase 3 will be a motor and adding all the components and hardware, accessories. That's the boat. Second video will be probably a pressure washing video, cleaning video. I'll show how to get some of this rust out. I actually did a test spot already and got some rust off of it. All of this right here was all rusted out, just caked up with rust. All these screw holes here were all rusted out, and I got that off after like 10 minutes. Same thing back here. This one was all rusted out, and now it's almost perfect. It looked like this one here. So I'll do a video showing how we did that. That's the boat. We're looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun. Just glad we finally got it here. I'm gonna leave these up and let it dry out. All right, we'll see y'all in the next video.